All right, let me show you this project that we just finished recently. We have here our video intercom that rings inside the house into the touchscreen. Come on in. Here we have alarm system and a lighting keypad throughout the house. We have those lighting keypads that control the lights. Here we have a touchscreen that control everything in the house. A Crestron thermostat control and a keypad to control the lights. We can play the music throughout the house from here. With one button press, music will start playing. And here we have a big TV with all the cameras. All right, here we have speakers in the ceiling. And here in the ceiling up here, we have 5.1 surround sound. I'm going to lower the sound. Okay, let's go here. This is a motorized door control that's connected to the Crestron system that's automatically open the door with one button press. I can stop and close it. Let's go outside. We have speakers in the ceiling and we have the outdoor speakers for the pool, security cameras throughout the house in each corner. All right, let's go to the basement. I'll show you the theater. Go see the theater. All right, let's go in here. I'll show you the theater here. Look at this beautiful theater. Wall upholsteries, 7.1 surround sound, 133-inch screen, Epson projector. Let's play something. Play.
Everyday people. Personally, I can't stop thinking about all that money. You'll never find another like me. I'm the last of my kind. Warning. Just keep walking. That's fine. Just keep walking. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Second warning.
All right. All right, so we'll show you the rest of the basement. Here we have another touchscreen, Crestron thermostats, a keypad to control the lights. And again, every bedroom has speakers inside. And in this common area over here, we have speakers and speakers. I'll show you the lighting control panel here. Follow me. Here is the sub panel, and this is the Crestron central lighting control. That's where all the loads are going in. And this is the Infratech heater control. All right, follow me. Let's see the master bedroom. Okay, this is the master bedroom. We have a seating area with a TV and two speakers. And over here in the bedroom, we have a TV, speakers, four speakers in the ceiling. And then again, we have speakers in the shower over here. This is the master bathroom. We have a TV and two speakers in the ceiling. All right. All right, this is the second floor. Here we have two more lighting panels that control all the lightings in the house. Two panels, 7 modules each. All the lighting fans come here to this lighting panels. And on this is the front of the house that the customer wanted to have privacy, so we put Crestron shades. Let me show you the shades over here in this bedroom. So again, each bedroom has speakers, TV pre-wire, and shades. We just press one button and we raise all the shades. All right. All right, other elements that we install in the house is the security system, alarm system, right? So up here, this is the motion sensor, as you can see, right in left, and this is the Wi-Fi access points. All right. And here in the front, we put a glass break and a motion sensor in the front. So we got two layers of security right here. This is our dining room that we have shade and speakers. All right, so let's show you the features on this touchscreen over here. Okay, so here we have the slider control, lights all on, all off, music off, music on. We have the pool control here, and this is the intercom for the outdoor and obviously the lights. Okay, so if we go, we'll start with the lights. Basically, we have all the rooms, so we can go to each floor and select a room and control the lights, right? So we can go to the basement, and let's say we can go to the gym, and now we can dim the light however we want, or do, you know, dim from here, or we can do on off right from here. We can also do on and off from here. So this is helpful when you have multiple lights in a room. So let's say if we go to the family basement, we have multiple lights here. So I can turn all of them off from here, all of them on, or I can just dim each and every one of them individually. Right? I'm going to turn them off, close this, and I can also come here and click this and create my own scene. Right? And I can create a new lighting scene, and I can give it a name and create my own scene without calling us or any of that. You can do it on your own anytime. So I'm just gonna cancel out of this. Okay, so this is the light, pretty simple. And we can program those actions to customize whatever we want basically. So look, we programmed this family slider. I'm gonna click on it, and you can see that the family slider is opening right now. I can stop it, press one more time, and then press it again, and it will close, right? And I can go to the pool control, and here I have all the pool control. Here I have the music all on and all off basically. So if I do music all on, it will turn on all the rooms in the house, and then I can click here and I can change the volume to each and every room independently. And from here also I can go and select the music I want. Basically, this is a Sonos, and we save favorites and playlists. So those favorites are on the Sonos, and I can basically just click on one of them and change the music, the songs, whatever I want. I can also AirPlay to this system from my phone directly in here. So this is all the rooms that play music that I can control the volume independently. So I can turn off all the rooms from here, or I can do music all off from here and all the music will turn off.